Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'm going to show you how to correct an issue with LVP flooring when it won't go together all the way and how to correct that issue. So hang tight and we'll get started. So here is a joint here that has about a 32nd inch gap in it, and we've used the tapping bar on the end and just can't get it to come together. And I'm going to show why that happens and how to correct it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the first few pieces, and this is actually flooring in reverse, and so we're starting on the left pulling, and this happens to be Mohawk. Their pattern goes right to left if you're going in the normal direction, left to right if you're doing reverse direction. So this is reverse direction where you're putting the groove under the tongue. So we're pulling it out. We have to do each piece until we get down to the joint that has that problem. You just kind of tip it out away and then pull it away from the other piece and it'll come right out. So we do that, and we've got a couple more pieces down here to get out of the way. Pull them up, pull it out, and then this is the piece that has the issue on the end of it. So we'll pull that out, and then I'm going to lie down here and take a look. It looks like there's a little tiny piece of the locking mechanism of one of these that has busted off inside there, and it's blocking this piece of flooring from going in. You see that little piece on the floor? There's 2 or 3 pieces in here because they're just busting apart as I'm trying to get them out. But that stops the LVP from sliding into the groove all the way. You just got to take it out. You can use a razor blade. This happens to be a little pocket knife, and I'm just getting the pieces out of the way. Once we get these pieces all cleaned out, then we should be good to go, and we should be able to put it back together. There's one of the pieces, another piece, another little piece. Those pieces just doesn't look like much, but it keeps it from going together. So we just start putting it back together then, and we've kind of, you tilt it up, pull it in towards you, and I've got my tapping block. I'm tapping in, and that actually allows the piece to settle into the direction it's supposed to go. And I'm just going to try to get this so you can see both the joint, and this is the tapping block. I'm going to go to the other end down here, and I'll tap on that to close that gap. And I can't get my camera to do both pieces, so I'm going to readjust it so you can actually look at the joint so you can see it closing up. So I'll just go down here and tap on it, and we're good. That's all it took. Just needed to pull it together. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hope that was some good information for you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the bell icon, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.